Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I am your coach, Raymond Basco. So today we're going to discuss about how to load SkyDirect. Paano po ba mag-load ng SkyDirect? So, meron po tayong 2 ways to load SkyDirect. So, let's start. Step 1, type your dealer number if dealer ka. If you are a retailer, type your retailer number. Bakit number mo? Kasi sa number mo magre-reply yung PIN number. Ayan, type your number, space, code. Yung code natin, example is SkyCBL99. Ayan, kung iba yung amount na ipapaload ni customer, ibahin mo na lang yung code. Again, your number, space, code, send to 8724 or gateway number. So, here's the reply. Ayan, may makikita kang PIN number. Yung PIN number po yung kailangan natin. So, since may PIN number ka na, let's proceed to step 2. Here's the step 2. Type capital SkyLoad, space, Sky number, 8-digit po yung Sky number, space, yung PIN number. Send to 23667. Again, type capital SkyLoad, space, Sky number, 8-digit, space, PIN number, send to 23667. Guys, pag nag-send ka na sa 23667, dapat meron kang piso balance para makasend. So, here's the reply. You've successfully loaded Sky Cable Prepaid Plan 99. So, ayan, successfully loaded po siya. So, may note po tayo again. Note, need piso balance pag mag-send sa 23667. Madali lang naman pumasok load ng SkyDirect. In case matagalan, i-restart lang ang TV at box with receiver and pawit lang a while kasi papasok lang yun. Ganyan talaga yung note lagi. In case matagalan, even GSAT, signal, and sky, yun talaga yung note. Pag medyo matagal, pumasok yung load, i-restart lang yung TV at saka yung receiver or box. Then, hintayin lang na pumasok yung load kasi papasok lang yan. So, okay. Wait, by the way, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the subscribe button, color red, sa baba ng video, sa right side. Click the subscribe button. Thank you, bye-bye. By the way, pwede po humingi ng favor. Paklik naman po ng subscribe button sa baba ng video ko, color red sa right side. Click the subscribe button please. Salamat po.